What's up, guys? Echo here once again. Welcome to this week's new live session and weekly forecast. So pretty much what we'll be doing today is, as usual, we'll be looking at the charts on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and probably Bitcoin or gold or whatever. But whatever pair you want me to analyze, just put it in the chat box or in the comment section, regardless of the time you're watching this video or you'll be seeing this video. Just put it in the chat box or in the comment section. I'll reply to it and I'll help you analyze it. And yeah, quick one also, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and feel free to join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. So let's get right into it. So okay, guys. You guys have been saying that I've said that. You guys have been saying that I've been bearish on this guy, right? I've been really bearish on this pair, and I've been like, okay, from this point to 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 this point and this point. So right now we're in a critical zone where I am seeing something that, although I said I've been bearish here, but right now I'm expecting to see price still swing up. I'll tell you why I said so. Let me take this off first. So when we got to this point, our weekly low, okay, before I take it off, let me leave it for reference purpose. So when we got to this point, our weekly low, we rallied up, came back down and rallied up here. I guess this was NFP. NFP shot it to this point where I said I was expecting to see price come towards this region, right? Where we'll come towards this region, the one where I marked out this one here. And NFP pushed it down and we continue selling. So although me and the team, we sold for a bit last week, right? Sold for a bit. And also, I guess we got some moves here. I can't really remember. Right? We got some moves here and it was really juicy and yeah. But right now, what we're expecting to see this week, yes. So for me, although I'm still bearish on EURUSD, but I'm expecting to see price buy a little bit and I will explain why. So when we got to this point, price on this is the daily time frame. Do not forget, right? Price gave us something like this. Right? Price gave us something like this. We sold, got to this point, came up here, came up here, and came down, bought up to this point, came back here, bought up to this point, and really we came back here. I'm expecting to see us come into, there's a fair value gap around here, tap into this fair value gap first before we start selling, but for now, this week, I want to see us buy into this region. I want to see price sweep out liquidity. Now I'll explain a little bit further, right? On the 4 hours time frame, you can see that price already created a low, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And you guys remember I said whenever to see a clear direction, you must see two higher highs and two lows and two highs. So we've had this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, right? And we're ready to see another, was ready to see price fill up this 4-hour fair value gap around here, right? So that's what I'm expecting to see on EURUSD. So now, when we've gotten this low here, as we've gotten this low here, we're expecting to still see price sweep out liquidity resting around these areas. Expecting to see price sweep out liquidity around this area, right? I'll mark this point as liquidity. The people selling from the NFP, I want to see price take them out. Although I saw this point here, I said I was expecting to see price here, but now this is, I couldn't analyze it, but then it's playing out already. So I'll continue, come back, get into this 4 hours, fair value gap, and probably continue selling, right? And probably continue selling. That's what I'm expecting. So on the, if probably there's an opportunity to take any trade, I'll call it on the free channel or on the mentorship or the VIP, the signal, the premium signal channel. So okay, another thing I just observed here is price actually just although it's not a clear inverse head and shoulder, but price actually gave us more like an inverse. We have a left here, right? Neckline, head here. See price come back down here again before we take out liquidity. I don't know if this makes sense. Although it wasn't the head and shoulder wasn't really clear or isn't really clear, but it's actually something that I'm expecting to see. Or price actually already did it and is about to buy. We're currently trading around the neckline. So probably if we get a chance to see price come back down a little bit, that's what this is London section. Soon we'll close, or we'll have London close and open of New York session. Probably New York session we might trade it and see how we can take advantage of the market. So this is that for Euro USD. I see a lot of liquidity resting around here. And also, if you check it very well, you'll see an imbalance around here that needs to get filled up. Although we filled this point, but we need to see price fill up to this point to mitigate the imbalance before we start selling. And that's what I'm expecting Euro USD to do. GBPUSD would be doing the same thing, but because GBPUSD and Euro USD they have similar patterns. They have a lot of similarities in their movement. Just that most times Euro USD is faster, GBP is slower, and most times GBP is faster, Euro USD is slower. But let's see what GBPUSD is saying. Right. So okay, GBPUSD. Okay, pretty much. I still, although this was my bias since last week, right? This was my bias since last week. Price actually came back down to this region, as you see it. And currently we're about trading up to this point. I'm expecting us to go back into this point, probably even push a little further into this point to sweep out liquidity. Fine, whichever, or to mitigate the other block around there, although it wasn't filled in properly, might go a little bit higher and sweep it down. But for now, I'm still holding my bias as bearish on Euro and GBP USD. Yes, I'm expecting to see just buy, then continue selling. For now, I am not interested in trading this guy yet, only to see more buys from what I can see here. But I might not trade it. I'm more interested in trading Euro USD compared to GBP USD, right? That's what I want to do. I want to see this week. I might, if I have opportunity to trade GBP USD, I'll do so because we're here to make money regardless. And let's see if we have a trade to take on gold, XAUSD. So gold. Okay. So for this pair, I had to close this trade rather. I had to close this trade when I took this trade here. I used it to flip an account because I went all in when I saw I was risking so much on the account. So I took the trade. When we got to this point, I guess this point first, I closed it. And when price came back into this point, I had to take the trade around this point. And I closed around here because it was already we're having New York close and almost pre-Asian session open. So I got bored and I closed it. I don't like trading Asian session that much. Always rather. I only have times when I trade it. So I had to close it at this point because I wasn't liking this whole consolidation I was seeing around here. Although I was expecting the consolidation, like you said, like you can see here. Let me remove this. You can see I said I expect price to come into this point from here. Price came back down, went into this point, sold. I expected consolidation, super liquidity, and sell. But now I saw this consolidation, which what I expected. But then the consolidation was not consolidating the way I want. So I had to close the trade here. I was tempted to enter around here again, but I said no, let me just leave it till the next day. But the next day I had to take care of myself because I was so stressed. I had several flights to catch up with, so I was jet lagged at some point. So I had to rest for some hours. I had to rest for some hours before I'm just even looking at this chart right now. I've not looked at it ever since after I closed that trade because I needed my peace. So what I'm expecting this guy to do, can I close this? Can I just take this out? So Although I've been bearish on this guy for a bit, short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Now, the short-term bearish I was expecting to see, or the short-term bear rather, the short-term bear or bearish move I was expecting to see was just to sweep out liquidity, because I can see a lot of liquidity resting below these areas. So now most likely we might start selling off. I still expect to see price come into this region or come into this region. If I see price coming to this region, perfect. I would want to go long full with full margin, right? So for me, I want to see price still sell off. I'm interested in seeing more sales, right, than buys. I want to see more sales actually. So if you look at it very well, mere looking at it, this is just an expansion. I want to see the correctional move. This is after this, 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 this sweep of liquidity, semi-inducement, and boom, sell off before we buy. So short-term bearish, long-term bullish on gold. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish on gold. BTC USD. I've been saying I'm bearish on crypto market on the crypto market. So, and we can see how price is playing out just the way I was saying. So for me, we got into this region, right? I said I was expecting us to come into this region or come into this, where's the region again? I can't remember, but I expect us to come into maybe 39 or 29 region or even 30 region. Yeah, I want to see price come down very well. You get, I'm still bearish on this guy. Although I can see liquidity here, I marked out. So most likely, we might go super liquidity, continue, right? Might super liquidity continue. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm still bearish on this guy. Taking out sell side liquidity, had a break of structure, and okay. Sorry, I was trying to check one of my trades. I was trying to check one of my trades I just took on the crypto market, that's GTC USDT. So GTC USDT actually left me. I didn't take the trade again. So I mean, it left me. It didn't activate my order, so I'll have to delete it right now. I'll delete it because I just spotted out this liquidity that I'm expecting to see price sweep out before selling. So for for the crypto market, I'm still bearish. Yes, I'm still bearish. I just want to see keep declining, declining, declining slowly, slowly. It won't even give a major like make it loud, just gradually, gradually till I see price sweep out the necessary liquidity I'm expecting to see price sweep out, right? And also, what else? What else? What other pair? I guess that should be all for now. But guys, I guess I'll be ending this live session. But please, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to send me a DM in any of my handles on IG. That's IG is at Prince_Echo2 on IG, Prince_Echo2. IG Prince_Echo2 on Twitter or X rather. They said it's X on X at Prince Echo 2. No space, no space, no dot, nothing, just Prince Echo 2, right? On X, that's Twitter, and IG at Prince_Echo 2. And feel free to, if you want to send me a DM on Telegram, I'll put the link to the Telegram channel. My handle is on the Telegram channel. So you can always send me a DM, ask me questions. And if you want me to analyze any pair here, put it in the comment section put it in the comment section. So once I go through it, I would analyze it and you'll get the analysis either via the channel or I'll record another video, whichever, depending on what time I'll be saying it. And well, pretty much that should be all for now. You guys already know it's always my dream and my goal, my aim to build a community of profitable traders all around the world, Africa, Europe, Asia, anywhere you get, everywhere around the globe, around the world, with no exception, with no exemption, on no, just everybody around the world. I want to have a community. I want to build a community of profitable traders. And I can't really do it all by myself without you guys helping me. So please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and feel free to uh, like the video, share it. You don't know who you'll be helping. And also, yeah, and for those people asking if I still offer mentorship, yes, I offer mentorship, and I also have a premium signal channel. Yes, I also offer signal channel, both free and paid signal service. I offer those services, and I also offer mentorship, not for free. The mentorship is not for free. Whatever free thing I'll be doing, be either here on YouTube or on the Telegram channel. Those are just the places I would ever want to offer free mentorship, and but I offer paid mentorship actually. I don't know if that makes sense, but I guess this is just in regards to the comments or to the inbox I always get. So for now, guys, I'll be ending this live session and this weekly analysis. Thanks to those that actually stayed to this point. I really love you guys. It's always a pleasure always coming out here to analyze the market for you guys. As you already know, Echo is active, guys. Peace out.